Yo, you're right, it's Tommy Allen here, and I just want to show you the initial setup to doing your first Project Acoustics implementation, so getting it in. So what you need to do, so you've done your bake file, everything's open, everything's running right. So what it should look like, you've kind of got your nodes and or your little probes all dotted about, and we need to see if it works. So let me pull myself up. Window. What you need to do first is in Actors. You go to all classes, and we're gonna click Acoustics space. Okay, so dig that, boom, in the level, and we need some acoustics data. Okay, so that's the ACE file that you produced with your bake. You're gonna find that, okay, in your, so I'm in project 4. It's going to be inside wherever you've done the local bake. So what I did, it was in plugins, project acoustics data, local bake 2. And so I've told you how to run your local bake in the previous video. It drops out this file, and here it is, acoustics data 2. Okay, so I can drag and drop that into there. Well, hey, acoustics data 2. So now we've done that, let's bomb that into there, and yeah, that's pretty much done. Next, we're just gonna edit some of our project settings. So in platform, so if you go to the edit menu and go to project settings, okay, in the platforms, in the windows, you're gonna scroll down, and you're going to choose Source Data Override plugin, and you're going to select Project Acoustics. Okay, the spatialization plugin, I've tried several. It doesn't make a difference. They're all quite good so far. So it doesn't matter which one you pick of these, but this one's the important one. And you're almost ready to go. So what you need to do, so I'm going to use this cube, for example, and I'm going to import a sound. I'm just going to add a crash onto this. So add audio. So it's outside the box, and let's use an initial collapse sound. Boom, done. And on the sound, we now need a attenuation setting. Okay, so the way you want to do this, create a new attenuation setting. I've already made one, but double click it. Ooh, come on. Oh, no, it's not working. So create new sound attenuation. So acoustics attenuation settings 2. Double click on that, scroll all the way to the bottom, and in the source data override, okay, so enable source data override, click get an array out, and then it's this little cube. Okay, so you double click that, and then once you're inside, just make sure apply acoustic volumes, and these are your debug controls and things like that. Ooh, I might actually display this. Pow. Okay, save. So now that's set up, we should technically be ready to go. So we've got a collapse sound, we got a kind of reverby thing in here, so let's see what it sounds like. So you kind of heard the reverb as I kind of walked into here. Okay, so that's good. Now I'm in the first person blueprint game, so we're just gonna edit this blueprint for the rifle, and inside here at the play sound location, we kind of got, it's gonna play the sound, and what I'm gonna do, put the attenuation settings to Project Acoustics 2, compile, and now our gun is going to work. Okay, so we press play. You can kind of see the debug line that was drawing there, but now you can hear it a lot more in here. Then we come in here. Da -da 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 -da. And that's it. We've managed to set up Project Acoustics from scratch. Woohoo! I hope that helps. Obviously, there's lots of little bits, little kind of things you have to get around, but I hope the video helps, and I'll see you for playing in some settings now. So see you later. Have fun. Bye bye.